Hello, everyone. This is Owen Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com doing my midweek analysis. Before you, you have gold looking at the weekly time frame. So, I wanted to start out today by giving my analysis with a little bit of a bigger perspective on what's happening with gold here. And it's kind of interesting. It coincides with what is happening with the US dollar. Wow, tongue twister there. So, here we go. So we had here on the lower time frames, I had, identified this area as an area of resistance. We have gotten above it, and earlier in the week I was cautiously bullish, and I still stand by that call. I still believe that dropping down to the daily time frame, you can see here that we have managed to maintain this 50 period simple moving average here. I have a buy indicator here, as I mentioned in my post earlier this week, and we are above the 200 period simple moving average. So, as far as the daily time frame is concerned, we have a beautiful technical golden cross occurring here, which is when the 50 period black line here crosses over the 200 pink line. Then you usually have prices in the future substantially higher than present day. So, again, people are taking notice of gold's move here. It's been kind of quiet in the mainstream media. Um, some things have happened in Arizona where they've allowed gold and silver, I think, to be used as currency, which is interesting. So that's, I'm sure, putting in a little bit of a bid under gold as well, gold and silver. So again, looking at the weekly time frame, we are again starting to get close to this major monthly downtrend line. So, zooming out, just to give you an idea of things, here's where we were at the lows. Back in 2015, beginning 2016, when everything started happening with Brexit, and we broke out of this downtrend line here. So again, we tested it, and so technically speaking, gold is looking very, very good, and the amount of this trend line break, the amount of move that this could generate is just absolutely amazing. So I'm personally looking for gold to break up upwards and definitely at least to 1400 in the coming months, 1500 potentially. There's a lot going on in the world. Stocks are very overinflated in my opinion. We have some you know, nice correction coming for us, I believe. So, with everything that's been happening in the markets, this is the bigger picture of gold on the monthly time frame. You can see here that that's that trend line I was just referencing. And something I want to point out, looking at this chart a little bit closer, we're looking at the monthly time frame. So if gold does continue higher and close anywhere between 1278 or just a notch in a gain on this month, another close higher than this candle, I mean, that's just going to speak volumes. I mean, just look at this reversal here. I mean, it's very similar to what we saw here, just pure strength just coming in on this monthly time frame. I mean, this is the start of a bigger move, in my opinion, people. So, don't let this go to waste. This is a great opportunity to get long gold. If you can get it anywhere near 1260 or 1246, as long as this uptrend line here is maintained, gold just looks solid, in my honest opinion. We just have on the weekly time frame maintaining this 50 period simple moving average, which is beautiful. If gold can go ahead and close at around 1273 or so, that's what I'll be looking for, and that will put another notch on the bull's belt. So, are we going to get there? Let me just say that. Again, on a daily, we have this golden cross. We have gotten above this previous downtrend line here. It would not be out of the question for gold to test 1260, 1256 or so. It's a little bit higher there. Around 1260 is the support level indicated by these shadows here on these candles. So I apologize. I did that. I believe that horizontal line on a greater time frame. So anyway, I do believe that we could see a little bit of a test of 1260, but we do have that 1280 level to watch out for. That's where that downtrend line is. So that's the key right now. So we have this beautiful consolidation breakout test, and then we had another attempt at higher highs, but we did meet some resistance. This is the 4-hour time frame again. So looking back at my U.S. dollar analysis that I recently did, I would say that gold will probably come back down to about 1265, maybe around 1263 or so. But in either case, as long as we can maintain this level here at around 1257, 1260, that's a good place to probably get long if you can, if it does go back there. I mean, just pure strength in gold lately has just been very well noted. So as far as getting a good price, let's see what we can find here. Just drawing some quick lines. You can see that again we have another trend line right here, just kind of going along here, and that's going to be the main driver. So we broke below it and we're above it. So I think more important than this actual, well, both are important. What am I saying? This uptrend line here has to be maintained. If this breaks down, then you want to see 1260 hold. If 1260 holds, you want to get back above this uptrend line here and finish off the week strong above 1270 or so. Breaking, if we can break up even the 1273, 1275, that'd be even better. And again, we just want to show on the weekly time frame a little bit more strength. There's going to be a little bit more resistance here between 1270 and 1280. Break above this downtrend line here, it'll be 1300 very quickly. So bulls have the probability on their side. Again, use your stop losses, manage your positions. This has been a presentation of gold. I'm on Wall Street. Subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great evening.